Hello, my name is Usha Hariharan and I'm 67 years of age, and I would like to share my experience of how I came to Pinnacle and got myself treated. About in the month of May of 2023, I had an unfortunate accident on the highway, and I was rushed towards a hospital in Chembur where it was known that I had a shoulder dislocation in that accident. And for whatever reason, the doctor or the surgeon who attended to me there decided to pull my arm back and put it into the socket. So then thereafter, for almost 6 months, I continued doing physiotherapy. Around the time December of 2023, I came here to Pinnacle to meet Dr. Yogesh Vaidya to take an ID card for my knee replacement because I was going to travel abroad. And it just so happened that he asked me, "So how are you doing? And can you raise your arm?" So I just happened to say this and I paused there. He said, "That's it? That is not right." And so he said, "No, you got to do an MRI as soon as possible." So that is how I ended up doing an MRI. Now, before I continue, I'd like to say that all the other doctors that I had seen earlier from the time of my accident until December of 23, I had consulted other specialists. Do I need to do an MRI? Not one of them told me that it's necessary. They said, no, everything is okay. But Dr. Yogesh sir, just by my movement, he knew that something is amiss and that it's beyond a dislocation. And so within a day or two, I did my MRI and came back with my reports where it was clearly seen that I had a 9.0 muscle tear in my right shoulder, which wasn't diagnosed before. Now, here I definitely thank my guardian angel and my angel, Dr. Yogesh Vaidya, who directed that this was the procedure, that now we have to undergo a surgery. That is supposedly a shoulder arthroscopic surgery to set the muscles in place. And I was lucky that for all these months that I didn't have any other unfortunate incident because my arm could have been dislocated. Anyways, so then it so happened, once again went through the formalities of the other tests, pre-tests and everything. And then I came under the supervision of Dr. Kshitij thoke, who is a specialist in arthroscopic surgery. And thus my shoulder surgery was scheduled here. And I cannot begin to thank where, but at every step of my walking into the hospital, first Yogesh sir seeing that this was a problem beyond what I knew already, and to guide me and to schedule my surgery, which happened like in a jiffy. Everything fell into place with such ease and comfort, and every department, right from the admissions till I got my other tests done and everything, was absolutely an easy breezy. Then I did stay overnight post-surgery, and I cannot ever explain whether one can say an hospital experience was good, but yes, it was. My surgery went off very well, and I was absolutely taken care of by the nursing staff and everybody in the hospital. And I was discharged after 48 hours. I go home, and now it's 4 weeks post my surgery, and I must thank Dr. Kshitij thoke and the team of all the departments and staff working here at Pinnacle for my healing. It is definitely a blessing to get the right doctors, but personally I feel Pinnacle has a best team, whether it's diagnosis or post the procedure, and of course the admin and the staff who are supportive to make everything happen. It is definitely the place if anybody has an orthopedic issue. And I thank everybody here, Dr. Kshitij thoke, and of course Yogesh Vaidya, who is I would call him a guardian angel for me, because I've undergone an knee replacement surgery earlier on. So The team is so efficient, so kind. They make you feel at home. It doesn't feel like you're here for you're sick and in pain and ache and all that. They make it all so the transition is so smooth that I would request anybody ever having a problem should definitely come to Pinnacle for an orthopedic issue, because the team is so efficient. And I thank from the bottom of my heart the entire team, the doctors, the surgeons, for what I went through, my experience, and my healing, which is happening beautifully. Thank you for everyone.